Ever said something on Instagram you instantly regretted? Then this video is your ultimate guide on how to delete those comments and take back control of your digital space. First, locate the Instagram post where you made the comment you want to remove. You can find this post by scrolling through your feed, checking your activity, or navigating to the profile of the person who posted it. Once you found the post, tap on the comment icon, usually a speech bubble, located beneath the picture. This opens up the comments section of that post, exposing the comments left by you and others. Next, find the comment you want to delete. Now tap and hold on your specific comment. This action activates a menu with options. From this menu, a small options panel will appear. Easily find the delete option, tap on it, and just like that, your comment disappears from the post. Confirm that the comment is no longer visible. That's it. You now successfully deleted your selected comment. Remember, you can repeat these easy steps for any unwanted comments to curate your online presence. Keeping your Instagram experience positive is easy. Thanks for watching.